Hi folks, Art at Leach Camper Sales, where we camp better. Just got in a real nice Forest River Hemisphere. This is a 23 RB, so it's a rear bath. Weighs about 4,700 pounds, so it's a very lightweight coach. Come on around, you see electric tongue jack, lots of pass-through storage, electric stabilizers, electric awning, place to mount the TV, nice big Boater marine grade speakers. It's got the spread axle, nitrogen in the tires. Here's your electric stabilizer back here. Fiberglass shell. This is one of the Forest River's upper line. You can see it has the curved roof. And then a nice slide out. Come on in, let's take a look inside. So immediately as you walk in, you're going to go right to the rear bath. It's a nice big dry bath. You got a corner shower, nice sink, lots of room. It is central air, so you do have heat and air conditioning inside the bath. Storage back here. Got a nice 12-volt refrigerator. It's set up to travel. That's what this is for, so the door doesn't go open going down the road, but it is a nice 12-volt refrigerator. Double sink. Does come with a swivel TV, has a nice queen size bed. That is a traditional queen size, not a camper queen. Trifold sofa, you got a couple of bar stools here. So this is kind of your dinette area. Don't look like the stove has ever been used. Very clean unit. We have this one priced at $19,999. It is a 2016. This is Art at Leach Camper Sales. Come see me.